Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make this bow, which is I'm going to call a circle boutique, and obviously I've already got half the bits in ready to go, so it's a bit quicker for us because it's a complicated one that has lefts and rights in order to get the shape right. So like I said, these are the bows. Like I said, this is a lovely pink version and a burgundy ruby version, and I've been playing with some embellishments and some glitter backing. Okay, let's just move these out of the way, move these up. So what you'll need is 1.5 inch ribbon, and it's 4 times 35, and what you have to do is we do 2 left and 2 right, and what you want to do is pin in at 18 to the left side and pin the opposite way 18 on the right side. So you want 2 18 in, 2 18 that way. Okay, and these are the shapes that we're going to start with. So we'll do the left first, and I have heat sealed all my ends, and this is the first shape that we're going to get to, so I'll show you how to do that. What you do is, for your boutique like look, we'd normally go like this. With this shape, what you want to do is not that, you want to go over. So from a straight, curve it up and over, up, over. Okay, and then what we do is, you will need quite a few dress pins, just so you know. On that side, on that side. So that's that one. And we're doing exactly the same thing, only opposite way. So we went that way before, we're now going this way. So it's round, over, round, over, and again use that to guide. Pin, 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 pin. Okay, so now you've got your 2 left, sorry, your 2 right and your 2 left. Okay, so we're going to move those slightly out of the way while I show you how to do this. And what you want to do is, I always hold them this way because it makes it easier. So this side, fold that over so it's like that, and then we're threading this through the loop like so, and then all you do is line that up with those pieces, so you've got your 4 layers like so, and pin. And make sure it all lines up. So you've got this. Okay, that's your front, that's your back shape. Okay, we're going to do exactly the same with this one. Like I said, hold it there, fold across, round, line it back up with the original layers, and make sure all 4 are all together, and pin everything in place. And there's your 2 left pieces. So now we'll do the 2 right, and it's exactly the same thing. Hold it upside down, fold across so you can't see that, loop that through, line it up like so, pin, line up, and pin. Okay, and that's your front, that's your back. And last one, like I said, from here, fold over, through your loop, line it up, all 4 layers, and repin. There we go. So as you can see, we've now got 2 lefts and 2 rights, and that's what they look like. And what I do is, we've got these pins on the inside. When we're sewing, we want those 2 together like that, and those 2 together like so, and that means that we're stitching in the right direction, if that makes sense. So let's just move those up a little bit. So we're going to start on the outside and go through, and I will show you. And you want extra strength thread, upholstery thread or pearl thread, because I'm going to do the cinch method to pull it closed, and with cotton you won't be able to do that. And I also use a darning needle because it's a bit longer. So from where we pinned all those layers, take that out, make sure you've got all of them for your first drop. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, take your pin out, 6, right through there. So in, 1, 2, out. Oh, we've missed that one. There we go, call it all. I'm going to do that. So the back is 1, 2, 3. Okay. And again, we're going to start from this where the pin starts here. Take out that one through all your layers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, pin out, 6, through all of them again. And again, it's in, 1, 2, out, 1, 2, 3, there. And pull that down. And we'll start in the same again from this side. So that one should be facing upwards. Take that pin out. Make sure you're catching all of those 4 layers and they're all lined up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, you caught them all, and again in, 1, 2, out, and it's 3 and back. And pull that along, and again on this one your pin should be down. Take that one out. 1 for everything. 2, 3, 4, 5, remove, 6 through everything. And what you want to be doing is on all 4 of them you should have the 3 bumps like so. Okay, so now we've got this is what it should look like. And what I do, because I do it a little bit differently, you can either sew through or you can do this, whichever you find easier. Make sure you've cinched it nice and tight, so like so, and then take your thread and do it like you would tie. And not. Now, the reason you want extra strength pearl thread or upholstery thread for this is cotton would have already snapped. Let's cut that excess off. Would have snapped as we did that cinching. Take your pins out. Move that out of the way. Just tie that off. And as you can see, we've got our bow taking shape. And that's all nice and tight. Like so. And you could either add your clip in the middle at this point, just show you. Like so. Or you can add spikes. I'm not the best at them, so I will show you how to add them, but I won't show you how to make them. There are many creators out there who've got better spike tutorials than I will ever have, so I don't pretend otherwise, but I do thread right through the centre. Right through that centre. Line them up. And I'm just going to wrap those like so. And just do a stitch off in the back. There we go. That's what it looks like at the moment. So let's get a clip. Okay. A little bit of glue on the back. Seal on 9mm. Open that up right on the centre and wrap around nice and tight. 1, 2, cut off that excess. Out. I'm just going to pull it extra tight. There we go. Dot glue there. And pop that open. Okay. And this is the look you get with your spikes. Now, because of the way this centre sits, I always like to add a nice circular embellishment because I think it helps the bow shape. So, put that in. And I always use this Gorilla super glue with the brush, because if I do it any other way, I get glue all over me and stick myself to all sorts of fun items. Okay. Get that nice and centered. Hold that for a few minutes. And this is one that I would advise giving a spray with the hairspray. And there you go. Super cute, super pretty, circular boutique bow. Like I said, that's in a royal blue. It's a nice ruby without the spikes. Nice pinky tone. Like I said, my slightly more fancied up version. Like I said, you can play around with colours. You could do alternative colours and things like that if you wanted to. Thank you for watching. Hopefully you found this useful. I do also have a Facebook page under the same name if you want to join me or ask me any advice or tips or any extra tips on anything. And I'll speak to you soon. Bye!